So what I want to do here is combine the idea of fun facts from across the comic book landscape with the process of helping you understand various elements of the comic book universe. The way this series will work is I'll present you with a series of questions, and for each question, you'll be given the option to select whether it's true or false. And whichever option you suggest, you'll be taken to another video where you'll be provided an explanation on why you were correct or why you were incorrect. Having said that, let's jump into it. True or false? Deadpool was originally supposed to be a villain. True or false? Deadpool's healing factor is the reason for his immortality. True or false? Deadpool comics were the first to introduce recap pages, providing readers with a summary on what had happened in the previous issue. True or false? Deadpool was the first character to break the fourth wall. True or false? Deadpool has been a member of the Avengers twice. The powers of Negasonic Teenage Warhead in the Deadpool film are the same powers of which mutant in Marvel Comics? Gambit, who possesses the ability to charge inanimate objects with kinetic energy, causing them to explode? Boom Boom, who possesses the ability to create explosive energy bombs of various sizes and intensity which explode on impact? Nitro, who has the ability to cause himself to explode? Or Jubilee, who has the ability to create and release colorful explosive energies which detonate matter on a subatomic level? With that being said, we're going to bring this video to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, post a comment below letting me know what you think, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.